Hi everybody, welcome to Piethon Coders. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to create your very own Mad Lib program part 2. So basically what I've done since part 1 is I've finished writing out all my input statements. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to do little prints throughout the program that'll encourage your user to not quit and finish off their Mad Lib. And I will also show you how to begin putting your input statements into your Mad Lib. So let's start with the prints. So what I like to do is there are 15 total input statements in this program. So what I like to do is when they have 5 left, so when they've done 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here they have 5 left, so I like to just write print parentheses quote 5 left. I just wrote 5 left, so close. So then they know, like, once they've done 10 of them, they're kind of wondering, like, hey, how much longer is this going on for? So then this will say, like, oh, okay, you're basically almost done. You're really close. And then right before the very last input, I just like to write print parentheses quote last one. Oops. So then they know, okay, this is almost the end. And then they're prepared for it. And right before I print out their whole Mad Lib, I just like to say something like this. Print parentheses quote inks. Here is your Mad Lib. So now basically we need to print this whole Mad Lib with their answers. So again, this is very similar to my old McDonald video, and we're going to do something very similar here. So basically, I posted in part 1, I posted in the description the whole Mad Lib. So what you're going to do is every time you see a space, like in the beginning it says hi, and then you need a name. So what you're going to do is something like this. Print parentheses quote hi. And then here, I'm going to put 2 quotes like this. And then we're going to put something in between that. We're going to put comma, name 1. That's what we call this variable for their very first name. So hi, name 1. So then what this is going to print is hi, the first input name that they put in. And then after that, we'll say, if you want, what will happen right now, it's going to print hi, name, and then it's going to do a space before the exclamation point. So if you want, you can put like this and then put pluses. So whenever you use commas in print statements, it automatically inserts a space. So what we can do is we can use pluses. This way it'll print hi, space, name, and then no space between that and the exclamation point. That's just preference. If it doesn't matter too much, then you can just use a comma. If you want it to look like a little bit better, then you can use these pluses. But then after this, we'll say, my name is, and then we're going to put another quote, plus name 2, plus quote. And then we say, so my name is the second name they put in, and I used to live in, and now we have 2 of them. We have the adjective and the city. So, and I used to live in, we're going to put a space and then a quote, and then we're going to put plus. The first one is adjective 1. And then we do a plus. And then now there's the city. So we put city plus. And then now I put another quote. That means what this is going to do, it's going to go hi, the first name they put in. my name is the second name they put in, and I used to live in the first adjective they put in, and the city they lived in. The first city that they inputted, and the only one. So then, now what we're going to do is just end off a sentence. So we're going to put, so it goes, hi, their name, my name is this, and I used to live in adjective city. I was supposed to say, I used to live in the adjective city, and I'll be showing you around campus today. So that's basically our first line. And then what I like to do, instead of doing one really long line, I like to enter and then do the rest of my prints. So basically all you're going to do is just put these variable names every time you see some question that you're asking the user, you're going to put those variable names in, and then that'll print the answer to their input in that section. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, I will be showing you the completed program with all the prints and all the inputs and all that, and I'll show you what it looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you have any questions or ideas for new videos, as always, just put them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to address them. Happy programming!